amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving you your favorite dish, your favorite food. But today we make you a nice lovely summer drink, not summer drink, summer water, flavor water, guys, with some mint and also cucumber and lemon. It's just summer, you know what I mean? This summer, guys, you got to keep yourself really cool, and you know what I mean, you can also detox your body. It's really good for you, and it's good for your system, especially the mint and the cucumber and the lemon, which is really do a great job inside of you, especially if you're a lady or you want to lose some weight. This is where it come in really handy and can fill some of the gap. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, and hopefully we can come with better in the future. And also remember, donate to the YouTube channel. We got a strudel coming out, and it can be a benefit for you and your family in your life. See you next time, and this is from Chef Ricardo. Nice, bye-bye. So welcome back, guys. As you can see, it's coming up to summer. So basically, this summer, this is what we want to do. We want to make you a nice, lovely summer flavor water, which is with mint, cucumber, and lemon. Ice, you know what I mean? Time gonna be hot. And also, this is the best way how you can do it. First of all, get a nice lovely portion of fresh mint. You know, you can get some fresher one on this one, to be honest. Put it straight down inside of the water like this. I'm gonna put something down in my glass. Nice and lovely. A couple slices of lemon in the water. If you got lime, that's fine. And also, this is good for detoxing your body also. And some sliced cucumber. As much, it's good for you to use even one large cucumber. Some ice. So basically, that's exactly what we are talking about right here, guys. As you can see, looking lovely and nice and beautiful. So basically, this is the way how you're gonna do it this summer. This summer, to be honest, it's gonna be really hot. So you have to get yourself ready for this summer, guys, to be honest. So as you can see exactly what's going on right here. This is a flavor water with cucumber, mint, and lemon. And also it can detox your body. And especially if you're a lady who want to lose weight, this is really good for you to drink it right straight through the day. Especially if you make a big bowl like this. And all you need to do is just get up in the morning and simple. Pour it in a glass like that and have it in the morning for a nice, lovely drink. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We got a lot more recipe like these coming out for you. Thank you so much, and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team. And as I say, this summer you can make this at home and have it for the whole summer. Keep your body detoxing, fresh and nice. And this is the way it coming really handy, guys. A lot of cucumber, mint, and also some fresh lemon, and also water and ice. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.